Hey, what's going on everybody? Garage Dynamics back here with a quick video. Just want to show you guys a super cool tip on the Mercedes-Benz S-Class W220 2004 and up. That's going to be the transmission service tube. Now, if you have a 2004 and up, you have the 7-speed transmission and it does not come with a transmission dipstick, transmission tube. You have to go underneath the car, fill the transmission with a pump, and you get this leveler that you have to it's a bunch of guesswork and it's frustrating. And I know a lot of people just would want to do their transmissions, but they don't want to do it because they don't have the transmission tube or the dipstick. Now, if you have the 2003, 2002, 2001, you have the 5-speed transmission and you get the dipstick tube and life's a lot easier. But on the 2004s and up with the 7-speed, 7G, Tronic transmission, there's a secret service tube on the driver's side right here, and this gives you access to your transmission. So listen closely. This tube they don't want you to know about. So if you go into the dealership and you ask about it and you say, hey, there's this service tube on the driver's side, they're just Mercedes-Benz is gonna be real hush-hush about it. They're gonna get a little upset. So I'm sharing this secret with you, and I want to show you closely how it works. So come on, let's go dive in deep. I'm going to show you how this works, all right? All right, we're inside of the Mercedes-Benz S500 engine bay, and if you have the 5-speed transmission, then your transmission fluid dipstick is going to be back there. Then you're going to have your oil drain tube or your oil dipstick tube right here, and then that's it. Now, if you have the 7-speed 7G Tronic transmission, then that you do not get your transmission fluid dipstick tube in the back. It's deleted, it's gone, and you have to go under the car. But here's the service tube that they don't want you to know about, that Mercedes-Benz do not want you to know about, and this is the service tube right here. And now let's go ahead and zoom in so you can really get a close look at that. So look, you can see here that if we pull this out and you get right there, you can get a close-up shot of that, and you can see right here that this is the dipstick tube, this is the dipstick right here, and then it's just going to go straight into this service tube right here. And that is how you're going to check your transmission fluid, and you can also add transmission fluid from this tube as well. And so this is a super hidden, low-key, they really don't want you to know about this transmission tube and dipstick. And it comes with the car. You don't have to buy it. It's not an add-on or anything like that. It's just on the driver's side, buy this air intake, and you just got to go look for it. So go ahead and I'll let you guys go take a look for it right now, or just when you're gonna go do your transmission fluid change, look for this service tube and the dipstick, and it'll just make life that much easier. All right, so I hope that this has been helpful, and I hope that you enjoy using your new dipstick and service tube. And it's just one more thing that I just want to share with you guys on this April 1st day, just to make your lives a lot easier. All right, thanks everybody for watching. I hope that this video has helped you guys out. Now you know where the service tube is on your Mercedes-Benz W220, and you can now change your fluid, and you can even, pour in transmission fluid through the service tube. You can go ahead and you can check your fluid through the service tube right here. And I just hope that you guys just really enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe for more great videos like this. And hope you guys enjoy that April 1st day today. It's a beautiful day. And until then, see you guys next time.